Have you ever met someone who talks about big goals? Success, money, a completely different life? They sound confident. They believe they can do it. But months pass. Sometimes years. And nothing actually changes. It looks like laziness. But psychology says it's not. Because your brain can trick you into feeling progress without ever taking action. If you want to understand how your mind really works, subscribe to Why We Do It, because here, we don't just watch behavior. We break it down. Number 1. Thinking feels like progress. One reason is simple, but powerful. They confuse thinking with doing. In psychology, vividly imagining success can release small amounts of dopamine, the same chemical linked to achievement. So when someone constantly thinks about their goals, their brain feels like they've already made progress. And that feeling quietly kills urgency. Number 2. Fear of failure hides behind motivation. It's not that they lack ambition. It's that they're protecting themselves. Because once you try, failure becomes real. But if you stay in the planning phase, your dream stays perfect. Untouched. Unchallenged. Safe. Number 3. Waiting for the right time. A lot of people believe this. I'll start when I feel ready. But psychology shows something different. Readiness doesn't come before action. It comes after. So they wait. And wait. For a moment that never actually arrives. Number 4. Overthinking drains energy. They analyze everything. Every step. Every outcome. Every possible mistake. And it feels productive. But it's not. Because overthinking burns mental energy. So by the time it's time to act, they already feel exhausted. Number 5. Identity blocks action. Here's something most people don't realize. Your brain resists actions that don't match your identity. If someone believes deep down, I'm not disciplined, I never finish things, then even simple actions feel difficult. Because taking action means becoming someone new. And the brain resists that change. Number 6. Addiction to potential. Talking about big dreams feels good. It creates excitement. A sense of future success. A powerful identity. But real progress? It's repetitive. Slow. And often uncomfortable. So instead of doing the hard work, they stay attached to who they could be. Because it feels better than facing who they are right now. Having big dreams isn't rare. Almost everyone has them. But turning those dreams into reality? That's where most people stop. And the difference isn't talent. It's the ability to act. Even when your mind is working against you. If you want to understand human behavior, mindset, and the hidden psychology behind everyday actions, subscribe to Why We Do It. Because here, we don't just scroll through people. We understand them.